girl.
Are you painting? You painting? You having fun? Olivia. Livy. Can't talk, Dad. You having fun?
Uh-huh.
Good job, Livy.
Why don't you wash it off in the water, baby? No.
Not in your mouth, not in your mouth, not in your mouth. Oh, look at her face. Livy.
There's the paper towels are in there.
I don't know if you can see that. Here, hold this. Stay. I gotta get the paint off your face. It doesn't go in your mouth. Looks like a nasty booger you got. Nasty booger.
It's okay. It's just water. You can keep painting. So pretty.
Remember, put it in water if you're using a different color. What color is that?
It's red.
Yeah, it's red. Uh-oh, don't paint on the thing.
Yeah, don't paint on that. You only paint on the paper.
Riley.
Riley.
Riley, come. Yeah, it looks pretty. Good job.
Oh, good job.
Yeah.
Who's that going for?
You know who
You
that
know
is.
them. What are you coloring? Or what are you painting?
So pretty.